Hello, grade 1. How are you? I hope you are fine. Hello, my little scientist. Okay, let's start our lesson with dua. May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Why we study science grade 1? Because the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Okay, please follow our online class rules. Okay, so today we have a quick revise. On lesson number 2. What is the title of this lesson? What animals need to live? What animals need to live? What animals need to live? And our objectives in this lesson, we can identify what animals need to survive or to live or to stay alive. And we can also explain how different animals meet their needs. So let's start. Number 1, when I ask you what is the animal needs to stay alive, what are the animals need to stay alive or to live? The animals need 4 things. Number 1, it needs food. Super. Number 2, water. They need water. Number 3, they need air to can breathe. So they need food to can grow, water also to can grow, air to can breathe and grow. And what is the last one? They need a safe place to live. They need a safe place to live. Look at this picture. Look at this owl. Is live in a safe place. This safe place is called a shelter. It's called a shelter. So what is the animal needs? The animals have needs to stay alive, like food, water, air, and shelter. So now what is the meaning of shelter? Shelter is a place. Shelter is a place where animals can live and be safe. So shelter is a place where animals can live and be safe. So when I ask you grade 1, shelter is a place where animals can live only? No, it is incorrect. It is incorrect. So, and shelter is a place where animals can live and be safe. Can live and be safe. Can live and be safe, like our homes. When we live in our homes, we be safe in our home. Okay, we not scared from anything. We not scared from animals. We not scared from the rain, from the wind. Our homes is protect us from anything. So also the animal have shelter. This shelter is a place where animals can live and be safe like this raccoons. These raccoons find shelter where? In a lag. Okay, unlike this owl also have a shelter here in the tree. So the shelter is a place where animals can live and be safe, and the animals have needs like the food, water, air, and shelter. Okay. But now where is the animal can live? The animals can live. Some animals live on land, like the horse, like the elephant, like the giraffe, like the lion, like the tiger. Many animals can live on land, and other animals live in water. Like the fish, like the dolphin, like the whale, like the shark, like the octopus. So the animals can live on land or in water. On land or in water. Again, where the animal can live? On land or in water. On land or in water. Okay, I want now here all of you to read these pictures. It is about, look at this one, it is a wings super, and it is a fence, and it is a Klaus. It's called Klaus, and it is here. This line have a strong leg. So what is all of this is called a body part. It's called a body part. It's called a body part. So here all the animals have body bars. These body bars help the animals to get what they need to live. The body bars help the animals to get what they need to live. Okay, look at this one. How do animals meet their needs? How? Who can match with me? It is a nose, and it is a beak, and it is a eyes, it is a wings, it is a tail. So now can you tell me what about the nose? How how the nose help the animals? It help the animals maybe to find the food when the animals smell another animals or smell the food, so it can get the food. And what about the beaks? It also helps the animal to eat the food. And what about the eyes? The eyes also help the animal to get the food, to hide him from any harm. And what about the wings? It helps the animals to fly and to find the food. Okay, so here all of this it is a body part. It is a body part. So the animals have body parts to help them get what they need. To help them get what they need. The animals have body parts to help them get what they need. Like what? Like the eyes. The eyes help the animal to get to find food, to tell to hide him from any danger. So the eyes is help the animals to get what they need. Also the nose help the animal to find food, or to it is tell the animal about the danger. Okay, and number three, the ears. Also the ears help the animals to stay safe, to get what they need. Okay, to tell about any danger. Okay, and what about this structures? It is called claws. It's called sharp claws. It is sharp claws. It is sharp claws. Why the lion have this sharp claws and have strong leg? Why the lion have, sorry, why the lion have this sharp claws and have strong leg? Why? Because the line used this sharp claws. It helped the line to catch their food, there. This sharp claws help the line to catch their food, and these strong legs help the lions to move fast, to get the food. So now all the animals have body parts, have different body parts in the animals that help them to get what they need. So look here, if the body parts maybe like the eyes, like the nose, like the ears, this is used for find food. Number one, for find food, or for tell the animals of dangers. So what about the eyes and nose and ears in the animals? What is the functions of eyes, nose, ears in the animals? It's used to find. it use for find food, use for find food, and also tell the animals of danger. Yes, also tell the animals of dangers when the animals have another animals want to eat to hunt these animals. So he know by their body parts. He maybe know by their eyes, by their nose, by their ears, hear the sound of the another animals. So these structures help the animals to get to find food, for find food, or tell the animals of dangers, or tell the animals of dangers. Okay. And this structures, these body parts. What about these body parts? These wings help the animals to can fly. Super. Help the animals to can fly. And when the animal is fly, it can find food. It can find food. And this one, the fins. The fins is help the animals for. And what about this fence? It's help the animal to swim in the water. It's help the animal to swim in the water. So the birds have wings, but the fish have fins. The wings have fins because the birds have wings because the birds want to fly to search or to find their food. So it have wings, but the fish live in water and they need something help it to swim in the water to find food. So it have a fence. It have a fence. So subhanallah, all animals have different kind or different body parts, not the same, different body parts because each animal have needs. It's different from another animals. So each animals have different body parts to help them get what they need. Okay. And what about the mountain lion? What about this mountain lion? This line have strong leg, have strong leg. Help them to move fast. Help them to move fast to get food. Help them to move fast to get the food. And what about the sharp claws? What about the sharp claws? It's help the animal to catch their food. It's help the animal to catch their food. So each animal have different body parts, have different body structures, help the animals to get what they need. And now, when I ask you how the animals get air, we know that the animals have different structures, have eyes, have nose, have ears, have fins, have wings, have a strong leg, have sharp claws. But now how the animals can get air? How the animals can get air? Who can answer me? Super good too. The animals can get air by the lungs. By the lungs. So the animals can get the air by the lungs. By the lungs. Repeat after me, grade 1. Lungs, 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 lungs. Oh, so the mammals have lungs. The birds have lungs. Many animals have lungs, but what about the fish? The fish is live in water, so the fish not have lungs, but the fish have gills. The fish have gills. The fish have gills. Help the fish to get air. It helps the fish to get air. So how the fish can get air? By the how the fish can breathe air. Look at this picture. How the fish can breathe air? By gills, by gills, by gills, by gills, by gills. And how other animals can get air? How other animals can breathe? Look at this picture. By lungs, by lungs, by lungs. by lungs. So the fish can breathe by gills and swim by fins, but other animals can breathe the air by lungs, lungs, gills, lungs, gills. Okay, so what we learned today, grade 1, we can identify what animals need to survive. So we can identify what animals need to survive. What the animals need to survive, grade 1? It needs water, it needs air, it needs water, air, food, and shelter. Water, air, food, and shelter. And now we can explain how different animals meet their needs. We can meet their needs by the gills, by the fins, by the lungs, by the eyes, by the nose, by the ears, by the wings, by the strong legs, by the sharp claws. Okay, so the new vocab for today: shelter, gills, and lungs in this lesson. Okay, it is the evaluation time. Let's start. Number 1. Animals are things. Are living things or non-living things? Super grade 1. Animals are living things. Animals are living things because the animals have needs. It needs food, they need water, air, shelter. So it is living things. Living things. Okay, number 2. Animals need food and air, food, water. So sorry, animals need food, air, and water, or and air again, or and sun. Super grade 1. Animals need food, water, and air. Super. Okay, number 3. Animals need a place to live. The animals need safe place to live or good place to live. Okay, it will tell you. When we go to the garden is very beautiful, have many flowers, and it's very beautiful. We can play in the garden, but we can sleep in the garden? Of course, no. How we can sleep in the garden? But we can sleep in the garden, grade 1. No, because the garden is not safe place, not safe, but it is good place, but it is not safe. How we can sleep in the garden? Maybe some animals come and any harm can affect us. So animals need a safe place to stay alive or to live, and is a place where animals can be safe. It is a shelter or a habitat. Super grade 1, it is a shelter. Shelter is a place where animals can be safe. And what the animal needs to stay alive or to live? It needs shelter, food, air, water. Okay. Number 5. What do all animals need to survive? All animals need to survive. Need wings. All the animals need wings. The fish need wings. The lion need wings. Need wings. Or all the animals need food. Or all the animals need soil. All the animals need soil? Of course, no. The plants who is need soil. So all the animals need wings? Of course, no. How the lion don't need wings and the dog don't need wings? So not all the animals need wings, but all the animals need food. So what do all animals need to survive? All animals need food. Okay. Number 6. Which animals breathes with gills? Which animals can breathe with gills? The birds breathe with gills. or the fish breathe with gills, or the cat breathes with gills? The cat breathes with lungs because it is mammals. And the birds also breathe by lungs because it is birds. But the fish, oh yes, of course, yes, the fish can breathe with gills, with gills. Okay, number 7, a cave. A cave can be for mountain lion. A cave can be shelter for a mountain lion or habitat or life cycle. It is a shelter for the mountain lion, it is a safe place for the mountain lion. Okay, number 8, a dog. A dog uses what to help it to breathe the air? How the dog can breathe the air? By the lungs, or by the gills, or by the wings? By the wings can breathe air? Of course, no. The wings is used for fly, and the birds use the wings for flying. So maybe the dog can breathe the air by the gills? Of course, no. How? Only the fish can use the gills for breath. Only the fish have gills. So the dog uses lungs. The dog uses lungs to help it to breathe the air. Okay? Thank you so much, grade 1.